impressions of unboxing an Apple Watch Ultra. This is the Apple Watch Ultra box, by the way. This is how it looks from the back, and from the side there's nothing apart from, there's practically nothing apart from the stickers and labels. And yeah.
Okay, and normally it costs as around 90,000. 90,000, but discount and HDFC offer, you will get around 4,000 over discount.
This, by the way, this watch belongs to my friend over here, Amrik. Victory! He got this watch at a very steep price of almost, I think
77,000.
So
from Flipkart on Big Billion Day, yes.
Clubbing all the offers,
all the offers and everything.
All the discounts and all the cashbacks and all the instant discounts from all the credit cards, all of that clubbed together. This watch he got it for, we packed it for 77K. But if you want to get it from an Imagine store or any Apple authorized reseller, you probably have to pay at least 85 or 87.
Yes.
Right. So that's a pretty good deal if you ask me, because this is at the price of a stainless steel Apple Watch Series 8, he got an Apple Watch Ultra.
Yes.
This is the way the box looks and the way to start the unboxing.
Yes.
So
you can just,
I think this is where it starts.
just tear up the sticker first.
Slow and steady.
Yeah, this Flipkart security sticker.
Yeah, Flipkart security sticker. Good that they're doing something to make sure that counterfeit stuff doesn't happen. The boxing screen is actually pretty different from a usual Apple Watch.
Normally it's showing us very eco-friendly.
Right. Because, like for example, I have used two Apple Watches, an Apple Watch SE and this one, the Apple Watch Series 6. And I've unboxed Apple Watches, and so has he. This is his second Apple Watch. He's used an Apple Watch Series 4. So we both have seen quite a few Apple Watch unboxing. This is actually pretty different. Generally, we don't see the Apple Watch unboxing this way. The box is pretty different. It's long and very thin, but this time it's kind of chunky and boxy.
Yeah.
And but this is a work of art. That's very nice. It's a work of art, and there's a lot of paperwork. Yes,
A lot of
there's a
paper.
card as well.
Wow. Nice.
A card actually. Some regulatory information.
Okay.
You have a booklet about the capabilities of the watch, or how you can customize the watch using different watch bands
and everything.
Basic starting guide. Basic quick start guide. So this is the basic quick start guide. Very well done actually.
Yes.
Shows a luxury product like vibe, and now here's the watch, and there is the band. Okay, so let's start with the watch pod, the watch module. There it is. You probably have to start with there.
Okay. First
Put it over here.
unseal is done.
Yeah, the first one, and this is gonna be the second one.
Second unseal is
Cappuccino.
done.
Okay. So now that the wrappers are off, here is the pod. Look at it. Okay, so before we take out the watch, there is the connector, the dock. It's basically like every usual Apple dock for an Apple Watch, but this time it is braided. This is braided, you can see. Okay.
Yes, it's braided.
And
Very much premium quality this time.
designed by Apple in California, and also the coordinates to their office. So on Apple Watch. That's a very nice touch. Okay.
I think the Apple is indicating that we need to go to the office and visit it.
And here it is. I don't like the fact that previously Apple Watch used to come in a clothing like how to say it, a pouch. But now that cloth pouch has been replaced by simple paper wrap. But what can we do?
Actually, the Apple is right now going more eco-friendly, trying to reduce all the carbons and all.
But look at this.
Oh,
so
God.
pretty. So pretty. Okay. Nice. And just for the sake of wearing the Apple Watch right now, my friend did not even wear a watch. He has a couple of Galaxy
I was very much excited. Yeah, I was very much excited to wear this watch, and
So he didn't even
that is the reason I didn't break my Galaxy Watch. So my main reason is taking this watch because I am upgrading from my Watch Series 4, and I've used it pretty much of around 4 years, and it was a good experience.
So pretty. Huh?
Pretty, yeah. Very premium quality.
And industrial and titanium, and
Titanium body have titanium on the glass and sapphire crystal, and
it's cold to the touch, and there's a lot of heft to it that gives you the feel of a very luxury watch,
Yes,
like
yes, yes.
Tissot or even a Victorinox, something like that.
Yes,
That's a very nice feel, to be honest. And generally Apple Watches do feel well.
Yeah.
This is like an aluminum watch, but this one feels good.
Yeah.
This one just feels on another level. It just
Yes.
feels premium on another level. It's beautiful. Okay, now for the band. Okay, there it is.
Tear it up.
Okay, then the pull tab. We take away the pull tab and
It's an Alpine Green strap.
we go
Yeah. Thank you.
And there is the Alpine Green pull tab. Look at that. Look at this one's really nice. Just feels very high quality, very high quality. Like compared to my Galaxy Watch bands or the Apple Watch bands, the normal silicone bands,
Yeah.
this one feels actually very high quality. And oh, by the way, these inserts are also titanium. These are all titanium.
Yes.
Anything where you see a metal in this watch assembly, it's all titanium. Okay, all high quality, aerospace grade titanium. So let's do the order. Let's just
It's connected.
connect it. Yeah, so yeah, south. So the south one is this one. Yeah, that's very nicely noted. South.
It's connected. Oh my! Hopefully the watch will fit into my hand.
Of course. There you go. Okay, you know what? I'll take over the camera. You should wear the watch and start it. Let's start.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Pour it up.
Yes.
Chile Apple Watch Ultra. Apple Watch is hoy pore. Apple Watch Ultra. Pari alava. She's little happy for you because you travel a lot and you go on trips a lot.
Watch strap is small actually.
Huh? Wait, there has to be an alternative strap then.
There's no alternative strap.
Wait. Another wait. Let me just hit a pause here. Wait. So we just somehow managed to fit the. By the way, he hurriedly ordered a small strap size. He probably has to buy another one, a larger strap. But somehow we managed to find a hack to put it in his hand. It looks really nice if you ask me. Look at that. It looks luxurious, but in a very industrial way. I like that. Like me being a mechanical engineer, I really love it.
Connect with my.
Connect with your iPhone. Yeah, there you go.
Yes.
There you go. Go ahead. Continue. Okay. So we'll go ahead with the setup process and then we'll resume back. Take it. We're stopping this one for now. Oh, there you go. So it will take a while for the pairing to complete as usual for typical all Apple watches. Once it's done, we'll get back. There you go. Look at that. Right. Display ta shotti খুব সুন্দর. Actually, this one looks really nice. It doesn't look that well in photos, but in real life, this one actually looks fantastic. In my opinion, at least. Looks very industrial, rugged, but luxurious at the same time. Okay. So bye for now.